sweet smelling, pleasant, newly baked Pandesal, P-A-N, pan means bread, de means of, sal means salt, and this is sprinkled with cheese and seasoning. You could pour some seasoning as well as there. I wish you're all here with me. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. We're going to enjoy pan de sal and more super delicious food recipes. Yes, that's me, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author of 21 books. And one of them is right here in front of you, my beloved mom's gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, and you'll find this cookbook, Best Philippine Cuisine Cookbook, worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com. Yes, right here speaking to you over the video. And this is my beloved mom in front of our kitchen. And my mom always sent pictures every month to dad, who is in right here in America as a USA stenographer typist. And this house is newly built, and dad's gift to my mom. And more delightful food recipes, way of life, Philippine traditions, Tagalog learning are in this delightful Best Philippines Finest Cuisine Cookbook. Number 1, my beloved mom, best chef. Excuse me, please. I'm so excited to dine with you, best mom, and even more. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online. And come on and eat. We're going to enjoy this all together. Mom's delightful food recipes. Pandesal, sprinkled with seasoning and cheese. And you could have fillings any way you like it, any way you want it. Pandesal is always eaten during breakfast. When we were growing up, my dad always call us early in the morning and say, come on, Pandesal is newly baked. Come on and eat. Sweet smelling, flavorful, nutritious, number 1 breakfast favorite in the Philippines, Pandesal. And you could eat this anytime and enjoy it anytime as well. And it could be made with rice powder or newly grinded rice, excuse me please, or flour. Sweet smelling, pleasant smelling, gourmet Pandesal. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. Let's enjoy this all together. Pandesal with cheese. Yum. Happy cooking. Happy baking. See you in the next video. Enjoy.